And Madam Chair Lady, I want to connect to exactly the discussion that was taking place between yourself and Mr. Today. And the initiator of the motion, Member of Parliament Jorien Wuiten, did not have the time to go into the overwegingen of that motion. But from my understanding, and that is why we had the discussion in IPCO the last time around about the roles of the Parliament in this discussion, what is one of the overwegingen of that motion? Overwegende dat naast het interparlementair koninkrijksoverleg, dus het IPCO, en het vierlandenoverleg, dus de regeringen, het wenselijk is om periodiek bij elkaar te komen om een lange termijn visie voor het koninkrijk te formuleren en te monitoren. So it is something a little bigger than the IPCO. A little bigger than the Koninkrijksconferentie, the one that Mr. Today referred to. I am signatory to that Koninkrijksconferentie, and they are good. But if we want to have it about a lange termijn visie voor het Koninkrijk, we're gonna have to lift up the discussion. And we're going to have to talk about things like I also mentioned in the motion of Mrs. Wuiten, the charter. We have motions by first and second chambers of the Netherlands regarding the charter and the competencies of the countries in the kingdom. But we are skirting the issue. We are skirting the issue, and whether it's going to be about how we approach colonialism, slavery, or whatever else have you, that approach depends on our decision